Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to another episode of Talk Flora. I am so happy to be here with you today. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hi, everyone. Wow, Emma, the energy in the studio today feels really good, doesn't it?
It really does, Jack. It feels light, it feels warm, and honestly, I am just really excited about today's topic.
Me too. You know, we talk about grammar a lot, and we talk about vocabulary lists, which are important.
Very important, yes.
But today, we are talking about something different. We are talking about the heart. We are talking about the mind. Today, we are learning how to talk about emotions in English.
Yes, emotions, feelings, moods. How to answer that famous question, how are you, without just saying, I'm fine.
Oh, I do that all the time. Someone asks, "Hey, Jack, how are you?" And I just say, "I'm fine." Even if I'm not fine, even if I'm having a terrible day, I just say, "I'm fine."
Exactly. We all do that. It is a habit. But today on Talk Flora, we want to break that habit. We want to give our listeners the power, the real power to say exactly how they feel, whether you're happy, sad, angry, or something in between.
Something in between. I like that, because life isn't usually just black and white, right? It's usually gray, or maybe a mix of colors.
That is such a beautiful way to put it, Jack. A mix of colors. So before we dive into the lesson, I have to ask you, and be honest, how are you feeling right now?
Right now. Okay, let me think. Honestly, I feel peaceful.
Peaceful? That is a lovely word. Tell me more. Why peaceful?
Well, I woke up early today. I didn't rush. I drank my coffee slowly. I looked out the window. So I don't feel stressed. I don't feel hurried. I just feel calm and peaceful.
That sounds amazing. Peaceful is such a good word for our listeners. It means calm, quiet, and happy inside.
Exactly. What about you, Emma? How are you feeling?
To be honest, I am feeling a little bit energetic.
Energetic? Whoa, did you have extra coffee?
Maybe a little bit, but also I just love recording these podcasts, knowing that there are people listening from all over the world, from Brazil, from Japan, from Italy, from everywhere. It makes me feel energized. I want to do a good job for them.
That is so cool. And hey, speaking of our listeners, if you are listening right now and want to support us, please take 1 second to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, please do, and tap the like button too. It really helps us. When you like the video, it tells YouTube that this lesson is useful, so they show it to more English learners.
Exactly. It's a small click for you, but it's a huge help for us. Okay, Emma, let's get into the emotions. Let's start with the big one, the one everybody wants. Happy.
Happy, Happy. It is the first emotion we learn. But Jack, native speakers don't always use the word happy, do they?
No, we don't. If you use happy every time, it sounds a little bit boring, a little bit robotic.
Right, so let's give them some alternatives. Jack, imagine you just got some really, really good news. Maybe you won the lottery. How do you feel?
Oh, if I won the lottery, I am not just happy. I am ecstatic.
Ooh, good word. Can you spell that?
EXCSTACTIC. Ecstatic. It means super, super high level happiness. You want to jump up and down.
Yes, I am ecstatic. Or let's try a smaller one. Imagine you just finished a nice dinner. You are full, the food was delicious, you're sitting on the sofa. You aren't jumping up and down, but you feel good.
In that situation, I would say I feel content.
Content. That is one of my favorite words. It means you don't need anything else. You are satisfied.
I am content. It's very peaceful. Or you could say glad.
Yes, glad is very common. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad you came. It's friendly and simple.
So we have happy, ecstatic, content, and glad. Listeners, try to use one of those new words today. Don't just say happy. Say, I am content.
Okay, Jack, now we have to go to the other side, the dark side.
Uh-oh, you mean sad?
Yes, sadness. It is part of life, unfortunately.
It is, and it is okay to feel sad.
It is totally okay. But how do we describe it? If I am just a little bit sad, maybe it is raining and I can't go to the park, I might say I am feeling down.
Down, like the direction?
Exactly. I'm feeling a bit down today, or I'm feeling a little blue.
Blue is a great color idiom. I've got the blues, or I am feeling blue. It means a gentle sadness.
But what if something really bad happens, like you lose your job or someone breaks your favorite possession?
Then you might be upset.
Upset. This is such a useful word. Native speakers use this all the time. I am so upset.
Upset is interesting because it's a mix, right? It's not just sad, it's usually sad plus a little bit of anger or shock.
Exactly. If I drop my phone and the screen breaks,
Oh no, I hate that.
me too. If that happens, I am upset. I am sad because my phone is broken, but I am also angry at myself for dropping it. So I am upset.
And if you are really, really sad, like heartbroken,
Then you can say miserable.
miserable. Wow, that sounds heavy.
It is heavy. I have the flu and I feel miserable. It means very unhappy and uncomfortable.
Okay, so we have sad, down, blue, upset, and miserable.
Precisely. Now let's talk about the fire emotion, angry.
Oh boy, anger. When do you feel angry, Emma? Be honest.
Okay, I will be honest. I feel angry when I am driving.
Road rage.
Yes, when there is so much traffic and people are honking their horns and nobody is moving, I feel my face getting hot. I feel my hands getting tight on the wheel. I feel angry.
I get that. For me, I get angry at technology.
Really?
Yes, like when the internet is slow. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to watch a movie and it just stops. It buffers. Circle, circle, circle.
Ugh, that is the worst.
I get so frustrated.
Frustrated. That is the perfect word for that situation. Listeners, write this down. Frustrated.
How do we explain frustrated?
Frustrated is when you want to do something, but you can't. Something is blocking you.
Yes, like I want to watch the movie, but the internet is blocking me, so I am frustrated.
Or if you are learning English, you want to say a sentence, but you can't remember the word. That feeling, that is frustration.
And that is normal. Don't worry, we all feel frustrated sometimes.
And what about a smaller anger, like a mosquito buzzing in your ear? Zzz.
Ugh, that is annoying.
Yes, and the feeling is annoyed. I am annoyed.
So, the mosquito is annoying with ing, and I am annoyed with ed.
Perfect grammar note, Jack. Remember that, listeners. The situation is annoying. You are annoyed.
So we have angry, frustrated, and annoyed. But Emma, sometimes anger is really big, like explosive.
Then we use furious.
Furious, like the movie Fast and Furious?
Exactly. Fast and very, very angry. If someone stole your car, you wouldn't just be upset, you would be furious.
I was absolutely furious. I like the sound of that word. It sounds strong.
It is strong. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Let's move away from anger. Let's talk about fear. Scared.
Scared. I don't like being scared.
Me neither, but we need words for it. Basic word, scared. I am scared of spiders.
Oh, me too. I hate spiders. Too many legs.
Too many legs? Okay, so scared, but there is another word that is very similar. Afraid.
I am afraid of the dark. Or, don't be afraid.
They are almost the same. You can use scared or afraid. But what about the feeling before a big event, like before a job interview?
Ah, that is not really fear. You aren't scared for your life. You are nervous.
Nervous, yes. Your hands are shaking, your heart is beating fast. Boom, boom, boom.
I have a big test tomorrow. I'm so nervous.
Or, I have a date tonight. I'm nervous.
Do you get nervous on dates, Emma?
Of course, everyone gets nervous on a first date. It's natural.
But there is a positive side to nervous, isn't there? Sometimes you are nervous, but you are also happy.
Yes, that is excited.
Excited. They feel very similar in the body. High energy, fast heart, but excited is good.
I'm excited for my birthday party.
I am excited to go on vacation.
So, listeners, check your feeling. Is it a bad feeling? Then you are nervous. Is it a good feeling? Then you are excited.
Simple. And what if you were thinking about problems? Thinking. Did I lock the door? Did I turn off the oven?
That is worried.
Worried. I'm worried about my dog. I'm worried about money.
Worry happens in the head. Nervous happens in the body. That's a good way to think about it.
I like that. Worry is the brain, nervous is the stomach.
Exactly. We often say, I have butterflies in my stomach when we are nervous.
Ooh, I love idioms. Butterflies in my stomach. It means you feel fluttery inside.
Okay, Jack, we have covered a lot. Happy, sad, angry, scared. But life is more complex than that. Let's talk about some tricky ones.
Let's do it. Hit me with a tricky emotion.
Okay, imagine you walk into your house. The lights are off. Suddenly, surprise, all your friends are there.
Whoa, I would feel surprised.
Surprised, obviously. But if it is a huge surprise?
Then I am shocked.
Shocked. I was shocked. It means I couldn't speak. My mouth was open.
But surprise can be confusing too. Sometimes things happen and we don't understand why.
Then we feel confused.
I am confused. This is a great word for language learners. If you don't understand what we are saying right now, you can say, I am confused.
And that is okay. If you are confused, ask a question in the comments below. Say, Emma, Jack, I'm confused about this word. We will help you.
Yes, please ask us. We love questions.
Here's another one, Jack. Imagine you worked really hard on a project. You studied for months, and you got an A+. You got 100%.
I would feel proud.
Proud. P-R-O-U-D. This is a very powerful, positive feeling.
I am proud of myself. Or, Emma, I am proud of you.
Aw, thanks, Jack. I am proud of our listeners. They are working hard to learn English. That is something to be proud of.
It really is. It takes courage to learn a new language.
Courage. Good word. Okay, opposite of proud. Imagine you are walking down the street and you trip and fall. Everyone sees you.
Oh no, please don't make me imagine that.
It happens. Your face turns red. You want to run away.
I feel embarrassed.
Embarrassed. This is a long word, but very important. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D.
I was so embarrassed. It's uncomfortable, but it's usually funny later.
Yes, eventually you can laugh about it, but in the moment, it feels terrible.
Totally. Okay, Emma, I have one. What about when you have nothing to do? No work, no friends around, nothing on TV.
Then you are bored.
Bored. I am bored.
Please don't say I am boring.
Yes, be careful. I am boring means you're not an interesting person.
Exactly. You don't want to say that. You want to say I am bored with the ED at the end. The movie is boring. I am bored.
Got it. Okay, let's talk about a feeling that involves other people. What if your friend buys a brand new car, a beautiful, fast red car, and you have an old bicycle?
I might feel a little bit jealous.
Jealous, yes, the green monster.
I am jealous. It means I want what you have.
Is jealousy bad?
It can be, but it's also natural. We all feel jealous sometimes. The important thing is what you do with it.
Right. Instead of being jealous, maybe you can be inspired.
Yes, I am inspired by your success. That is much healthier.
Or maybe just impressed. Wow, I'm impressed by your car.
That is a great conversational tip. If you feel jealous, try to say, I am impressed instead. It makes you sound nicer.
I like that. Okay, one more deep emotion. What about when a bad situation stops? Like you thought you lost your wallet, you panic, and then you find it in your pocket.
Oh, the feeling of relief.
Yes, relieved. I am so relieved.
It's like a heavy weight comes off your shoulders. Phew, I am relieved.
Whew, that is the sound of relief.
Okay, Jack, we have learned so many words today. Let's recap quickly. We have happy words.
Glad, content, ecstatic.
We have sad words.
Down, blue, upset, miserable.
We have angry words.
Annoyed, frustrated, furious.
We have fear words.
Scared, afraid, nervous, worried.
And we have the complex ones.
Surprised, shocked, confused, proud, embarrassed, bored, jealous, and relieved.
Wow, that is a lot of vocabulary.
It is, but listeners, don't worry, you don't need to memorize them all today. Just pick one or two.
Exactly. Pick one word that matches how you feel right now.
And that brings us to our favorite part of the show.
The question of the day.
Yes, we want to hear from you. We want to see your English in the comments.
So here's the question. What is one emotion you feel often, maybe every day or every week, and why?
Ooh, good question. Let me repeat that. What is one emotion you feel often, maybe every day or every week, and why?
Maybe you often feel tired because you work hard. Maybe you often feel curious because you love learning.
Or maybe you often feel hungry.
Jack is always hungry.
It's true, I'm always thinking about lunch.
So please scroll down right now. Yes, right now. Pause the podcast if you need to. Write your answer in the comments. I often feel blank because blank.
We read every single comment. Seriously, we love reading your stories. It makes us feel connected to you.
Connected. Another beautiful feeling.
And before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this conversation, if you learned even one new word, please share this video with a friend.
Send it to someone who is also learning English. Hey, listen to Talk Flora. They're fun.
That would mean the world to us. We're trying to grow this channel, and we can't do it without you.
You guys are the best. Seriously.
So, Jack, how do you feel now that we have finished the lesson?
I feel accomplished.
Accomplished, like you did a good job.
Yes, I feel like we helped some people today, and that makes me feel happy.
I feel the same way. I feel grateful. Grateful for this time and grateful for everyone listening.
Well said, Emma.
Thank you, everyone, for tuning in to Talk Flora. Remember, your feelings are important. Don't be afraid to talk about them.
Speak up, be honest, and keep practicing your English.
We will see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful, happy, peaceful day.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.